Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the wash impeller on your dishwasher. It's a really easy job. All you're going to need is a number 15 and a number 20 Torx Spit and the driver, a 5/16 nut driver, a pair of slip joint pliers, and a flat blade screwdriver. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll begin by opening the dishwasher door, and we'll remove the lower rack and any dishes that may be in it, and we'll set that aside. Next, with our pliers, we'll remove the retaining nut for the lower spray arm. So we'll loosen the nut with a pair of pliers and then remove it by hand. We'll lift that spray arm off and set it aside. Next, we're going to remove the 6 number 20 Torx head screws that secure the pump discharge cover in place. Now once we have all of those screws removed, we can now remove that cover, but we need to be careful that we don't move the rear manifold any farther than we have to, because it's held in place with a couple of clips on either side of the back tub and they're prone to breaking. So just gently lift up on that while pulling slightly forward, and we'll hold the manifold back. And slip the pump cover out from underneath it. Now with our number 15 Torx Spit, we're going to remove a single screw on top of the impeller. You'll need to hold the impeller with one hand to start the screw and lift that out. Pull the impeller off of the shaft and discard it. We'll take our new impeller and line it up on that hex-shaped shaft. Make sure it's firmly seated. Reinstall that screw. And again, you'll have to hold that impeller while you tighten the screw. We'll next need to put the discharge cover of the pump back on. We'll want to make sure that we put this tab underneath the rectangular opening in that rear manifold. And by lifting up gently on that manifold, slide the pump cover back into place. And then we can reinstall the 6 number 20 Torx screws. Now we're ready to reinstall the lower wash arm. Snug that nut up with a pair of pliers. We're ready to put the lower dish rack in place. And our repair is complete. Told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.